One very important message I want to share is about please infuse some sports in your children's activity, in your daily routine of children's activity. Infuse some extracurricular activities, infuse some sports or any sports where they can spend some time, couple of hours, because that really helps an overall development of a physical, mental abilities of the youth or the children. It's not only about the youth or the children, I would say even for the adults. I'm also looking forward to check on some theater. I want to be on screen because I do not want to continue to be an object of sale as these people have been monetizing on me for last 5.5 years. Uh, this is my own identity that has to be not to be capitalized by other people. So what I want to say is, please have your children infused with some sort of physical activities, infuse some sports in their life, infuse some extracurricular activities in their life, and let them have their opinions share with you. They will always bring new ideas. They will always have some new questions. They will always have some new concepts, and you have to be open enough. May not be your orthodox system would be supporting them, but you have to step up from that orthodox system, because that forced orthodox system is bringing a lot of negativity in their life. If somebody wants to enforce their orthodox system on my life, I'm 47 years old. Why would I want to take that orthodox system? May it be anyone who's trying to enforce their orthodox system on me. Why should I be taking that? I have my own personality, and you feel that if it is against your orthodox cultural system, see, if the culture is bringing in positivity in the system, it should always be welcome. But if that culture is bringing a control in the system, control means control over one gender, then it is not a culture. Then it is just a manipulative technique of suppressing one gender and uplifting another gender. So the culture has to be very clearly being defined. That is culture being supportive towards the other gender or not, or it is just a manipulative technique. Well, again, my opinion is towards equality of women, their thoughts to be shared openly. They should have their equal rights, and they should be made independent. Dependent women are dangerous sometimes. I'm so sorry to say. Dependent women will be finding out ways and means to do things. There are different people, different mindset. Again, I'm not being judgmental, but I've seen few dependent women involved into conspiracies because they are restricted towards their restricted environment. They have not gone beyond their horizon to explore themselves, so they get themselves involved into conspiracies which are not my forte. My forte is let women go beyond their limitations and let them explore, because they can do wonders outside and inside, but you have to give the right choices to them. If you are restricting them, they will do things which are absolutely nuisance, which I've seen a part of my ex families doing absolutely pathetic things in their life. So I believe the women needs to be educated, they needs to be independent, and they will be able to handle beautifully, if given the right environment, their professional and their personal environment.